Hi, I'm doing a Knit Crate yarn giveaway, and if you'd like to sign up under me, you can put in the promo code Jewel20. All the links are down below, and it's $24.99 per month. You get 2 skeins of yarn with a booklet of patterns. I'm going to show the yarn in just a moment. So if you come here to Amy's Crochet Patterns.com, which is down below as well, you can click on patterns. And I have a variety of them here: bags, booties, coasters, miscellaneous, washcloths, doily, flowers, afghans, hat patterns, clothes. Then you can come here, click on any picture. It will take you right to the pattern. Also, let's see something else here. Pattern. Okay, I thought maybe I had one for, okay, so holidays. And so Christmas is coming. And here is some Christmas patterns. I have more patterns than just that. I think I'm going to go through and make sure all my Christmas ones are in here and kind of redo them to make sure. Oh, here they are towards the end. So you'll just click on them. Say you want to do like the candy cane, just click right on it. It'll take you right here. Most of my patterns on here are free. And then Facebook, I have a crochet page, which I lost my group and my page over like a year ago to a hacker. So I had to restart. And it hasn't been building up very nicely. Before I had like 40,000, and then my page was like 90,000 to 100,000, and I lost them all. It's been like a real bummer. And then I have crochet hats for beginners. My book is audio paperback, ebook, and the crochet hat or crochet for beginners as well. Then last but not least, I have my Etsy store, which has some crochet stuff in it. So I have the 4 crochet printables, which are like easy charts to help you, guide you for crocheting. And then I have a couple of vintage patterns. This one is the placemat. Then I have calendars that are just print-offs and some tags that are print-offs. And then Christmas is coming, so I added some Christmas cards, Christmas tags, Christmas vintage patterns, tree like mittens, and then a skirt for the tree, and then stockings, and then these are all just like cards, birthday cards, Christmas cards, and then some more calendars. And then 2022 calendar, you get all of the months, and 2021, I have that for all months. Then I have my purse and some more tags. You can give like tags for like thank you to teachers or co-workers. It's really cute, and then you just put it like right on the package or present or whatever. And then I have some more vintage patterns. This pattern here for the purse I made, and some more patterns here, and thank you, like a little thank you for logos for business. Okay, so let's see what the yarn looks like. Okay, to participate in this giveaway, you just need to comment down below in this video something crochet related. I'm giving away this cozy for your cup. It came with it. I don't have a booklet for this yarn this time. Make sure you are a subscriber and come back in a week. This yarn here is really cozy. All links for this is down below if you'd like to go to the Knit Crate site. It takes the K hook for this yarn. You can use needle, the knitting hooks as well. It's alpaca, bulky weight, it's very soft, really pretty. So come back in a week after you comment, see if you're the winner, and all my links are down below, and please subscribe. So thank you for watching.